Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to initiate a transfer, how to accept, reject and edit a rejected transfer. A stock transfer is an operation where you move stock from one shop to another shop. The beauty of this system is that whenever a stock transfer happens, the receiving shop, the person assigned to the receiving shop must consent that indeed there was a transfer of stock from the other shop to the shop he or she is assigned to. So for the stock transfers, you go to transfers, then you click send items. In here we have scan serial and we have search serial. Any item that has been set as a serialized item in the system cannot be searched here. Like for example, if I want to send Infinix or maybe a smartphone which has an email number, I cannot search for it here. I can only scan the serial or even search for the serial number. So the first thing I will do on this page, I will select the destination. Remember, this system can support as many shops, so you must select to which shop you want to send the stock. The other thing you can do, let's say for example you are sending an accessory, maybe like an earphone, you can simply come and type it here to search. Then you can specify the quantity and then you must tick this button to be able to move to the next item. So let's say for example I want to send if I go to my items quantities, there is Infinix Note 10 and this is the existing serial. So if I go to send items here, I cannot search for Infinix Note 10, it will never appear. But if I try to type the serial number here, the system will be able to load identify the product, or I can even paste the whole serial here and press enter. The Infinix Note will be added automatically. So if I want to send maybe like Samsung, if I copy this then I do send items, I can search for it here and click. The system will still accept that one. So, and sometimes you want to put a comment, like for example change color to black for the Infinix. So you are telling the receiver that you want to swap the color to black, so that once he receives this email he can send you another one. So with that, now you can dispatch the stock transfer. Once you click send items, if I log in now as to the receiving shop, I can see a notification here which tells me that there is an incoming stock transfer that is awaiting to be checked. So if I click on it and then I click on the transaction number here, I can be able to see the items which have been sent. Two things I can do now is that I can accept the items or I can reject the items. To accept the items, you just click the accept button and click yes. The items will be accepted. But now I want us to explore now the other scenario where the items have been rejected. Maybe like this email number does not match what is on the physical device. So you can specify, you can put comments here and say serial for Infinix does not match, right? So and then you can add the comment and then you can reject the items. So once you reject the items, on the other side of Susan, let me put the password as Francis. Susan can go to the transfers, my stock transfers, then go to rejected and send in. I can see that this stock transfer has been rejected. Once I click on it, it loads vipi. When you open the transfer, you can be able to change the item that had issues. For example, you can remove this item and you can scan the correct serial, and then you can send the items again. So that's how you deal with transfers.